The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Belvedere, moving east at 57 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belvedere around 6:56 p.m. Take cover now. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.